Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on Samsung Galaxy S25. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Then select this app and click install. Now click open and click agree and continue. Then you can close this ad. Then click allow and click connect. Now click on this button to start your VPN and click OK. Then you can close this ad, and as you can see now I'm connected to VPN in Canada. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.